Alió, the IKS Gold Medal.
Is not expected on Queratocono, but I think it is one of the best surgeons that anterior segment we have in Europe and the world. Congratulations, Jorge. Es celebrated at Medalla.
Thank you very much. Well, it's my pleasure to be here. Thank you for this exceptional honor. Massimo, with all the staff that have been building up this fantastic Congress, and especially to build up this spirit of the Queratoconus. I think that what you say at the opening ceremony is true. We have created expectations but facts, and the future is going to be better. Thanks to you. Thank you very much. Okay.